Examination.
Your Honor, can I have a few manifestations, Your Honor, please?
A few minutes of?
Few manifestations lang po, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. You may do so.
Actually, Your Honor, we would like to ask this court to not allow side comments like, I was about to spank her, I was about to lecture her, kasi yung mga ganun ho, Your Honor. Wala ho yung lugar dito sa courtroom. Because we are all lawyers here, we are all professionals. Igalang naman ho natin yung kapwa natin na lawyer. Halimbawa, at kagaya nito, mas matanda ho sa akin si Attorney Kapunan. Maybe she has more years of experience. She has 48 years, I have 15. We should learn to respect each other and refrain from making side comments, so Your Honor. And that was captured by the media po. So, that is our request, Your Honor, to just, remind the counsel not to make those kinds of remarks. Thank you.
Attorney Kapunan already, although you are correct, it was already heard since we're on TV, Attorney Kapunan withdrew that statement earlier, if I remember correctly.
Yes, Your Honor. And in fact, I hope it was also part of the records that I promised to behave.
Thank you po.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you to both parties. So, can you continue? Attorney Christine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kindly do so, ma'am. You may proceed when you're ready. Ms. Eileen, kindly answer the cross-examination questions of Attorney Christine.
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, okay. Hello, Celine.
Good afternoon po.
Okay, I hope you're fine. Okay,
Apo.
okay ka pa naman, no? So, let's go to the liquidation of confidential funds. That is under section 6.2.3 of the JC.
Pwede pong...
Yes, I will ask my counsel to give you a copy of the JC. Please.
Assisting counsel may approach. Assisting counsel for the prosecutors may likewise approach to view the document.
Kindly peruse the JC under 6.2.3.
Apo.
Okay. Under that provision, that provision enumerates the liquidation documents that should be submitted to the ICFAO, right?
Opo, tama
Okay.
po.
First is liquidation report, correct?
Opo.
Next, certified copy of the check and paid DV or disbursement voucher of the cash advance drawn for the CF being liquidated, signed and or approved by the head of office with certification by the agency accountant, stamped and printed on the DV. Is that correct?
Opo, tama po.
Okay. And number 3, documentary evidence of payments and certification from the HOA, and there is a format for that under Annex B of the JC, correct?
Opo, tama po.
Then physical and financial plan.
Opo,
Okay.
tama po.
And then certified copy of accomplishment report and its proof of submission to the Office of the President, the Senate, President, and House Speaker. Is that correct?
Opo, tama po.
Okay. And then copy of the transmittal letter of the DV and supporting documents pertaining to the cash advance being liquidated. Tapos yan ay may receiving copy ng COA audit team leader.
Opo, tama po.
Okay. So, lahat naman ho yan, no, based sa inyong audit, na-submit ho yan ng Office of the Vice President for the 4th quarter of 2022 as well as the 1st to 3rd quarters of 2023.
Opo.
Okay. Na-submit din ho yan when it comes to the liquidation of confidential funds of the DepEd for the 1st to 3rd quarter of 2023.
Opo, tama.
Okay, thank you po. So, precisely nga, yun nga yung nag-come up ho kayo ng audit findings ninyo in the form of the notices of disallowance.
Opo, doon na po ako pumasok sa notices of disallowance.
Okay, so, can we go back to the second ND? Ralph, can you please give a copy to the witness? That is dated March 1, 2026.
31.
31, Your Honor. I stand corrected. March 31, 2026. Okay, do you have that copy already? Let's go to paragraph 2. Celine? Paragraph 2, it says there, based on the results of our evaluation, with due consideration to subsequent information given under oath during the hearings of the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability of the House of Representatives, the amount of 375 million is hereby disallowed in audit. Nakita niyo ba yan?
Opo, tama po.
So, I'm just curious, Celine, isn't it that the audit of confidential expenses be based on the liquidation documents submitted by the agency?
Pwede din po kaming mag-rely sa available information po.
Mag-rely sa available information.
Yes po. And yung information po na ito is galing dun sa Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability.
Yes, I just cited that. I'll propound questions later. But nakalagay ho ba sa JC na pwede kayong mag-rely specifically dun sa committee hearing na ginawa ng CGGPA, the Committee on Good Governance and Public Accountability?
Pwede po siyang pumasok dun sa 6.2.3.7 na other supporting documents or necessary for the audit. Dun po siya papasok.
Dun siya papasok.
Opo.
Sa other supporting documents.
Opo, kasi parang additional information po.
Okay. But isn't that a hearing? Wala namang ano ba yung documents na nanggagaling doon from... Anyway, I'll withdraw my question. Pero, naalala mo yung nag-testify dito si Wamil? Si auditor, co-auditor Wamil? Naalala mo yun? The day before you testified.
Opo, nag-testify po siya. Pero ano pong...
Okay. I'm about to ask you a question. So, noong August 5, 2026, nag-testify si Attorney Wamil, and he was asked by the good Senator Erwin Tulfo, okay, and the good Senator said, nasa ano po yan journal, but I'm saying every agency na meron pong intel or confidential fund, do they have to undergo audit periodically or random lang? Dahil marami po tayong ahensya ng gobyerno na may intelligence confidential fund na hindi naman dapat. And Attorney Wamil said, ang audit po namin ay based dun sa liquidation documents na sinubmit po nila. So, would you agree with me that the TSNs that form part of the CGGPA hearings were not part of the liquidation documents that were submitted by the OVP?
Hindi po siya naging part ng submission, pero...
Okay na, okay. I have to, okay na yun, no? You can answer me with yes or no, no? So, hindi ho part yon sa liquidation documents ng OVP.
Your Honor, this question is misleading. This witness never testified that it is part of the submissions or documents submitted by the OVP or DepEd by way of liquidation of confidential funds.
I think counsel is quoting paragraph 2 of the notice of disqualification that they took into account. Based on the results with due consideration, they took into consideration the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability report. Witness may answer.
Yes. Thank you, Your Honor.
Pwede pong pakiulit yung tanong.
Sige, agree ho ba kayo na yung mga transcript of stenographic notes doon sa CGGPA hearing, Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, hindi po kasama doon sa liquidation documents na sinubmit po ng OVP, Office of the Vice President?
Hindi po kasama sa submission.
Okay, salamat po. Hindi din po kasama doon sa sinubmit na liquidation documents po ng DepEd?
Hindi din po.
Okay, thank you. Let's go back to the notice of disallowance, please. Okay. Can we go to the opening statement? We have audited the submitted liquidation reports. Nakita niyo ho yan?
Opo.
Okay. So, that opening statement says, we have audited the submitted liquidation reports and its supporting documents for the cash advances of confidential fund of the OVP for the period February 6 to 30 of the calendar year 2023 as detailed below. I am reading it right?
Opo.
Okay. So, okay. Based dito, no? Dito nga, no? Yung audit ninyo are based lang dun sa submitted documents.
Opo, based
Okay.
po dun sa submitted
Thank
document.
you. Now, dun po tayo sa ND, no? May nakalagay, you can go over ho, no? May nakalagay ho ba na word yan na misuse of funds? Ground po ba yun ng disallowance? If you go over the ND?
Wala po dito yung word na misuse, pero during
I'll ask you later, no? If I have questions on that, not. Okay, thank you. So wala ho doon, no? How about the word corruption? Mayroon ho ba?
based po dito sa wordings ng ND, walang nakalagay po.
Wala. Okay. How about misappropriation? May nakalagay ho ba dyan?
Yung mismong word po na yun, wala rito. Pero, Mr.
Okay.
Presiding,
Your Honor, please.
Yun lang ho yung tanong ko.
Your
Kindly
Honor,
just answer the
Presiding.
question, Ms. Eileen, so that we can move forward faster. Kung ano na po yung tanong,
Okay po, thank you.
opposing counsel will have her chance at redirect.
Okay. So, dun tayo sa acknowledgement receipts, no? Earlier, testified that you reviewed the acknowledgement receipts, okay, which form part of the liquidation documents ng OVP at saka ng DepEd.
Opo, tama.
In fact, nag-come up kayo ng summary.
Yes po, during my evaluation, tinabulate ko po yung acknowledgement receipts.
Okay, and you have reviewed 1,823 ARs for the OVP. Tama ba yung number na yon?
Ang pagkakatanda ko po is hindi ko makakuha yung total, pero
Pero more or less
519 sa first, 530 and 774 sa third quarter.
The court will confirm 1,823 as manifested by the counsel for the panel of prosecutors.
Okay, and for the DepEd, it's 1,824.
Opo, tama po.
Okay, for a total of 3,647 ARs.
Yes po, for the for the 2023 po ng both
Yes, that's-
OVP and DepEd.
That is, I'm about to ask that, no? That pertains to the first 3 quarters of those 2 agencies. Correct?
Opo, tama po.
Now, of course, in identifying the ARs kahapon, no, you provided schedules.
Yung tabulation
Okay.
ko po.
We will be showing the schedules, Your Honor, to the witness.
When you say schedule, counsel, you mean
the
dates?
the summaries, Your Honor, that they provided to us yesterday.
With the dates.
They're not schedules, Your
Or
Honor.
summaries. I stand corrected.
They're
Tables and summaries.
tabulations, Your Honor.
Yes,
Yes.
There are
tables and
two,
summaries.
just to clarify, Honorable
Yes,
Presiding,
Attorney Kapunan.
The documents presented by this witness are of 2 natures. One is a tabulation, which is marked, and the other is a summary. The summary of the tabulation, Your Honor.
Marked as
Separately
dash
marked,
one.
Your Honor. -1, -2, -1, Your Honor. So what is counsel referring to?
Hello.
The summary, the tabulation? or
I
the
will be
tabulation?
confronting the witness,
The
Attorney
tabulation,
Kapunan.
I guess.
Yes.
Proceed, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.